Step into a world where forests breathe and rivers sing. Kerala isn't just a place, it's an experience. Picture this: misty mountains in Munnar, carpets of emerald tea leaves and waterfalls tumbling down ancient cliffs. Wake up to the sound of birds in the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site bursting with rare wildlife. Cruise Kerala's legendary backwaters on a slow-moving houseboat. Palms sway overhead, while kingfishers dart across the water. Pure tranquility. Breathe deep in silent forests where elephants roam and sunlight dances through bamboo groves. And let's not forget the rain. The monsoon's magic turns everything impossibly green. Kerala is where you feel alive, connected, and part of something bigger than yourself. So whether you're chasing waterfalls, hiking forest trails, or just soaking in the peaceful vibes, Kerala is ready to steal your heart. Nature lovers, your adventure starts here.